Here's the Reno Wrecking Crew getting ready to go out for the heat race. We have Jim Lampe, 31, Richard Holland, 22, and Dave Keil. Where's the Lampes? Jim Lampe out in front. Back in the second place spot. Richard Holland in the number 3rd position. He's reeling them in. He's working the outside. Coming off a 4. He's making good time. Goes around the outside of Lampe. Gets enough bike. There he goes. Now he just needs to reel in that number 1 rider. About 3 bike legs ahead. Should be able to do that fairly easy. Dave Keil doing a good job on the outside. Fowler getting a little bit out of shape. Back to Richard Holland going for that number 1 spot. Takes the inside. Dave Keil around the outside of Jim Lampe. Good group of the Reno Wrecking Crew out in the front of this heat race. Dave Keil reeling in. Rich Holland doing a great job. That outside's really working for him. Doing a great job on the outside. Comes around. I don't think Richard expects him to come around right now. And there he does. He makes the pass. Coming inside. There he goes. Dave Keil doing a great job looking for that number 1 spot. Harry Turner, number 44, in the number 1 spot. Dave Keil 2nd, Richard Holland 3rd, and Jim Lampe, I think, 4th or 5th.